Hi, I'm John Cuddy, the Sprinkler Maniac, and today I'm going to teach you how to turn your sprinklers on yourself. There's 3 different steps we're going to do, and step 1 is the backflow preventer. So here we have a backflow preventer, and there's 5 different things you need to do to get this ready. First thing you want to do is turn these screws a quarter turn so that they are perpendicular to the valve. Turn that one and that one. Then you can put the black caps on them. The next thing you want to do is turn each ball valve so it's in line with the pipe. They should be at a 45-degree angle. So you turn it just a little bit so it's vertical on this one. This one you turn, and then it should be horizontal with that pipe. The last thing you want to do, if you have a hose bib, you may have a hose bib down at the bottom here, or if you have one here, just shut that, because that should be open after a winterization. So again, we turned the screw there, turned the screw there, we made these 2 valves in line with the pipes, and then we shut the hose spigot off. Now we're going to move inside to turn the water on. Second step to turn your sprinklers on is to turn the water on inside the house. If you go downstairs or in a crawl space or wherever the main shut or turn on is, you may have a drain valve that needs to be shut. So if it's open, the ball valve will be in line with the pipe, and then you just want to shut that, make sure it's closed. Next thing you do is locate the ball valve where you turn the water on. This case here we have a red handle on it, and we're just going to turn that. Sometimes it can be sticky when you first do it. Turn it on and you'll hear the water running, and you wait until you hear the water stop running. That means the main pipe is charged and ready to go for step 3. So once you turn it on downstairs, the backflow preventer will leak out the black cap. Water will run down as it pressurizes. So if you come outside and you see water dripping off of it or water on the ground, that's okay. There's not a leak in the sprinkler system. It's simply that this was just leaking until it pressurized. So once you have your water turned on, your controller, you should plug it back in if it's not plugged in. And it should be on off, maybe on auto. But what you want to do is take the controller to the Test All Valves feature. The word test and then 02 will come up on the screen. And to test your valves, you simply hit the manual start button. That will turn the first zone on. It'll run it for 2 minutes, and then the subsequent zones will all run for 2 minutes as well. At that time, you want to walk around and inspect all the sprinkler heads and make sure they're working properly. So once you turn the sprinklers on, a well-functioning head will be free of debris and it'll be spraying properly in the yard, and pressure will be looking normal. Everything's looking good on this line. Ready? Sometimes your sprinkler heads will have debris on them. Just simply brush it off, maybe wet it, just clean it up a little bit, and